Hi friends, my name is Chandan. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara Engineering College. Today's topic is push-pull amplifier. Amplifier basics. Let us start with the basics. A push-pull amplifier utilizes a pair of transistors to alternate in amplifying the input signal. The result is a powerful and dynamic output that's ready to rock your world. The push-pull dance. Imagine the dance of push and pull in a push-pull amplifier. One transistor pushes the signal while the other pulls, creating a harmonics dance of amplification that brings music to life. Balancing act. It is all about balance. The key to the power of push-pull amplifier lies in their ability to balance the positive and negative alloys of input signal, resulting in the harmonics and balanced output. Rockin harmonics. Get ready for some harmonic distortion. Push-pull amplifier are masters at minimizing harmonic distortion, ensuring that your music retains its pure and authentic sound. Power of efficiency. Efficiency is the name of the game. Push-pull amplifiers are their powerful efficiency, delivering maximum output power with minimal power consumption, and get ready to rock with sustainable power. Now, dynamic output. Unless the dynamic range push-pulls amplifiers ex- excel at delivering a wide dynamic range, ensuring that every substyle nuance and tenderness of your music is applied amplified to perfection. Now push-pull versatility. Versatility at its best, whether you are rocking out with pumping up the bass and soaring with an vocals, push-pull amplifiers unmatched unmatched for all audio amplification needs. Epic soundstage. Step into the epic soundstage with push-pull amplifiers. You will experience a vast soundstage that transports you into the heart of the music and creating the immersive and electrifying audio experience. Unleashing the power. You are witnessed the magic of push-pull amplifiers. Now it is a time to unleash their power in your audio steps. Steps get ready the evaluate and your music to new heights with the electrifying force of push-pull amplifiers. Ride the waves. Ride the waves of sound amplification with the power of push-pull amplifiers, and you set to embark on the audio journey filled with an vibrant tones, dynamic ranges, and electrifying performance. Let the waves of music carry you to new heights. Unless the rocking waves. You are embraced the power of push-pull amplifier. Now go forth and unleash the rocking waves into your audio. Let the music resonate with electrifying energy and vibrant passion powered by the dynamic force of push-pull amplifiers. Thank you for watching my video.